Hello everyone, and welcome to Backyard Gardening with Dianne. Our featured herb for today is mint, and this is peppermint. I have peppermint growing in pots as well as in the ground. And we're also featuring lemon mint. Mint is very versatile, very resilient, a very hardy perennial. It has many uses, can be used in chocolate all the way through hair products. Let me share with you the virtues of mint. The flowers on the mint does not produce seeds. Peppermint spreads by underground roots and rooting stems, while lemon mint grows upright into a shrub. Chewing mint leaves freshens the breath. It is a common flavor in mouthwash. Mint also makes a delicious tea by simply adding a few leaves to hot water and allowing it to steep for a few minutes. Mint extract is used medicinally to treat menstrual cramping, headaches, some bowel syndromes, and various other things. Now that the pandemic requires the wearing of masks, a prominent massage therapist says she is adding peppermint oil to the diffuser during her sessions and placing a drop on the face mask of customers in an effort to open the sinuses, thus making breathing easier. She also states that peppermint is synergistic, heightening the effects of other oils when combined. Peppermint oil will help to cool down the body when applied to the back of the neck above the brain stem. Mint is easy to grow. It does well in pots. It is a perennial. It has a lovely fragrance, adds flavor to many drinks, and makes a pretty garnish. Consider adding mint to the list of things you can grow in your backyard. This has been Backyard Gardening with Dianne.